Good afternoon, kids. How are you today? Good? Kids, today we are going to talk about farm animals. Let's watch the video.
Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? A cow, a cow, a dog, a dog, a duck, a duck, a horse, a horse, a pig, a pig, a sheep, a sheep. That's what you see. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you hear? A cow, a dog, quack, 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 a duck, a horse, oink, 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 a pig, bah, a sheep. That's what you hear. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? Let's take a walk, 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 let's take a walk. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, dog. Quack, quack, quack. Goodbye, duck. Goodbye, horse. Oink, oink, oink. Goodbye, pig. Bah. Goodbye, sheep. Goodbye, elephant. Elephant? On the farm?
Open your book at page 24. Listen and repeat.
4. Repeat with me. 24. Look. Look, kids. This is a farm. Repeat with me. Farm.
Track 15. This is a cow. This is a horse. These are goats. That is a hen. That is a duck. That is a rooster. Those are sheep.
So, kids, repeat. Cow. Hen. Rooster. Duck. Horse. Sheep. Goats. Very good.
Thank you so much. See you next class. Goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. Stop.